Thailand is renowned for its rich and diverse cuisine, which is characterized by its use of fresh herbs and spices, aromatic flavors, and vibrant colors. Thai cuisine is a fusion of various regional influences, including Chinese, Indian, and Southeast Asian cuisines. In this essay, we will explore the unique and flavorful dishes that make up Thai cuisine. Thai cuisine. Thai cuisine is characterized by its bold flavors, vibrant colors, and a variety of textures. The cuisine features a range of dishes, from soups and curries to stir-fries and salads. Thai cuisine is known for its use of fresh herbs and spices, including lemongrass, ginger, garlic, coriander, and chili peppers, which give the dishes their signature flavor. Here are some popular Thai dishes. Tom Yum Goong. Tom Yum Goong is a spicy and sour soup that is made with shrimp, lemongrass, galangal, kaffir lime leaves, and chili peppers. The soup is typically served with steamed rice and is a staple in Thai cuisine. Pad Thai. Pad Thai is a stir-fried noodle dish that is made with rice noodles, eggs, tofu, shrimp, bean sprouts, and peanuts. The dish is typically flavored with tamarind, fish sauce, and chili peppers, and is a popular street food in Thailand. Green curry. Green curry is a spicy curry that is made with coconut milk, chicken or beef, Thai basil, and green chili peppers. The dish is typically served with steamed rice and is a popular dish in Thai cuisine. Som tam. Som tam is a spicy salad that is made with shredded papaya, tomatoes, carrots, peanuts, and chili peppers. The dish is typically flavored with fish sauce, lime juice, and palm sugar, and is a popular street food in Thailand. Matsamon curry. Matsamon curry is a mild and sweet curry that is made with coconut milk, potatoes, chicken or beef, and peanuts. The dish is typically flavored with cinnamon, cardamom, and star anise, and is a popular dish in Thai cuisine. Desserts. Thai cuisine also features a variety of sweet and delicious desserts, which often feature ingredients such as coconut milk, sticky rice, and fresh fruit. Some of the most popular Thai desserts include mango sticky rice. Mango sticky rice is a sweet dessert that is made from glutinous rice that is cooked with coconut milk and sugar, and served with fresh mango slices. Hanum Krok. Hanum Krok is a traditional Thai dessert that is made from coconut milk, rice flour, and sugar. The dessert is typically cooked in a special pan that gives it a unique shape and texture. Tub Tim Krab. Tub Tim Krab is a sweet and refreshing dessert that is made with water chestnuts, sugar, and coconut milk. The dessert is typically served in a sweet syrup and is a popular dessert in Thailand. Thong Yad. Thong Yad is a sweet dessert that is made from egg yolks, sugar, and coconut milk. The dessert is typically shaped into small balls and is a popular treat during